Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna try to install something I've never personally installed before. One of my friends from high school, his name is Mark. What's up, Mark? You wanna say hi?
Okay. What's up?
So we're gonna try to install, I don't know why he wants to install this.
Taller than
You're like a fucking midget with your
Fucking
oompa loompa.
beats.
Dude, look, you got some fucking pubes on your head.
you? Girls like these pubes.
I personally like shaving, but you know, we can all be different, you know, it doesn't matter. Anyways, back to the topic. So what we got here is, do you want to explain to them what this is, Mark?
So this is an aftermarket why did I say rear? Reverse sensor. So for old shit boxes like this one behind me, make it nice and new. It's called a car.
Damn, is it gonna make your
Distance.
car look like that?
Fuck yeah, bro, just a little polish.
Dude, fucking rad, bro.
Fucking send it, bro.
Fucking send it.
So anyways, it's a car distance detection system.
AIDS.
Pretty much.
Okay, got it. All right,
much.
cool. So how are we gonna do this?
So
Have you ever
this-
installed this?
Have I installed it? No, I have not. So this is
So-
gonna be a first time. So if shit fucks up, then we're screwed.
Shit, well, let's pray we don't. All right. So
Let's just hope my reverse fucking light doesn't go out.
did it come with instructions at least?
Yeah.
And where are those at?
Somebody decided to throw those away.
So we're fucking going at this blind.
Pretty much. So yeah.
Well. So you want to explain to them a little more?
I mean, there's really nothing to explain. It's all plug and play.
Plug and play?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's try to see if we can get this somewhat figured out, and we'll get back to you guys. All right, so we basically got everything here connected. If you look at the instructions, you want to show them the instructions? Since he didn't have the instructions on him, we went ahead and looked up where the place that he got them from. And if you see right here, it's going to show you the yellow light, the wire, which is this one from the adapter. It's yellow, black, red, and blue. Yellow is going to go to the reverse light, blue is going to go to the brake light, black obviously ground, and red accessories. Now we ended up putting it to the accessory on when you turn on the lights, so parking lights basically. So in order for this to work, he has to run his parking lights. Later on in the line, he can end up putting it directly to a 12-volt battery source constantly, but for now that's how we got it. So we went ahead and got everything. We got this voltmeter from Walmart, which is like 13 bucks. You can go ahead and pick it up yourself. And we went ahead and snipped a little piece off every wire, try to figure out which one was the reverse light, which one was the brake light, which one was the parking lights, so on. And here's the package for the multimeter. It's getting pretty dark, so we're gonna go ahead and tidy up all this wiring. You want to just go ahead and show them real quick how it works?
Yeah.
All right. Got his car turned on, reverse lights are on, the device is turned on. We went ahead and plugged them in, and as you can see right there, it's working. This is the sensor. Pull away from it, get close to it, starts going off. So it works pretty good. You can see right here. And that's just with one installed. With all the rest of them, it'll work pretty good. So that's what we got so far. Hopefully next time he comes over, we'll go ahead and finish the whole install. And I mean, for you guys, it's gonna be a couple seconds, so peace out. Hey guys, so we got your favorite YouTuber back in town. I got my boy Mark. He came back finally after how long, Mark?
I believe it's been like 3 months.
3 months? 3
Yeah.
months since we last worked on this bitch?
Yeah.
So it's been about 3 months. We're gonna finally.
Because I've already shaved my beard twice. And I think the video I didn't have a beard, right?
I don't know, man. But a lot has happened since then. I got into a motorcycle accident. Mark, wait till you see this. Wait. You guys ready? Bam! Not only that, he actually got coilovers, and he's actually not as low as me, but he's pretty darn low. Dang, snapshot right there. That's gonna be my my cover photo. Ladies and gentlemen, no more. All right, well, let's get to it. All right, guys, Mark's over here figuring out the GoPro because he's fancy like that. I'm not a baller like that. We're gonna go ahead and try to get started. I got my blue tape right here to put it on the bumper. We got my measuring tape right here, drill bits, power tools, anything we need to go ahead and measure up, try to get them all symmetrical to each other, and try to get it looking nice and pretty. And obviously run all the wires and make sure everything's working properly still, because it's been 3-4 months already. So he's gonna go ahead and finish getting that set up. Go ahead and start over here. I'm gonna run the time lapse on my phone as well, and until he gets that one situated. So let's get started. Here we got a wild Mark attempting to work on his car. What are you trying to do, Mark?
Get this fucking bumper off. But you know, when you get bigger tires than what you're fucking actually supposed to be getting, it kind of makes it a little hard to get to things that you normally should be able to get to.
I don't know, man. I got stretched tires on mine and it's still hard to
Your
get
tires
to.
are stretched out.
Yes.
They're supposed to be 13s. There's 16s on this. So don't come at me with that shit, bitch.
Do you even know what the fuck you just saying? Did you say 13 on a 16?
No, 13s. These are 16s. There's supposed to be 13s on here.
13 what?
Size tires. The tire size?
You talking about a wheel size?
Wheel size, same shit, different story.
No, because a tire's a tire and a wheel's a wheel.
I'm gonna snap.
What's a rim? No, a rim is a basketball rim.
I'm gonna fucking slap you.
That's how you know he doesn't know about cars.
I'm gonna fucking slap you.
A wheel is a wheel, tire's a tire. And just because the car came with 13-inch wheels doesn't mean it's supposed to stay with just 13-inch wheels. Yeah. So what's up, Mark? Where's my jack?
At your house?
Sorry for abandoning you, bud.
Huh?
Sorry for abandoning you. Did you figure it out?
I'm just taking shit off.
We'll be back shortly. Brought to you by Honda.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell yeah, Mark. Let's get it. That should be close enough.
Purchase your track today.
after a long battle, we were able to get it on. He had to sacrifice the cushion, but since he has the sensors, the what?
The cushion for the pushing?
Yeah, you would know about that, huh, fat boy?
Hey.
So we got him on.
Don't assume my gender.
Chill out, you're Chevy. We all know you're gay. Once again, don't buy a Chevy, buy a Ford.
Fuck Ford. That's why you see most Chevys pulling Ford.
Sure. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and button down everything, check, make sure the sensors still work, and we'll get back to you guys. So we're finally able to get it working. We got everything connected. I'm gonna come up close to it.
Can't get super close to it because then it's not gonna sense you.
They all go off, so we're gonna name that an A+, even though he's not gonna fucking need us. He's just being a fucking jackass. Alright, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and put everything back together and get it rolling. Alright, we went ahead and put everything back on for the most part. Did manage to break some clips here and there. You know, it's an old Honda, all original. So he's gonna go ahead and get some clips. And I guess we'll see you guys next time. Went ahead and proved that everything worked fine. So yeah, we just went ahead and put it up right there for the meanwhile. He's gonna go ahead and tighten everything up, and we just put all the wires right there. Not a big deal, you know. Everything works fine for the most part. And one day, I'm not sure when, probably like in a few months from now, we're gonna go ahead and put the front ones, even though he doesn't need it, but that's what he wants, so that's what we're gonna give him. So until next time, guys, peace.